Okay, you guys, so we are back at it with a Teacher Appreciation Day, and we are making two bookmarks. We're gonna make two bookmarks. Okay, we'll be using the blue, so this is out of the question, and the green. So I think I could do that, or I can do a white for this one. I think I'll do a white. Okay. I'll put up everything is on my Amazon Fun Store. It is linked down below in case you want to go ahead and pick up your own supplies to start making your crafts. I have everything down below on my Amazon Fun Store. Okay, so let's get started. These are really fun to make. You have to peel both sides. It looks like it's foggy, but trust me, it is not foggy. You just have to peel both sides. Look at how that looks. So don't get scared when you receive them. You think they're going to be like this, and they're not. They are clear. You just have to peel it. Okay? Make sure you have a bag for all your trash. I have my transfer tape right here. Okay? So we're going to get started. Now, I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to start with these that Chrissy pre-made me. She gave these for me in Easter. I thought they were great colors. She wanted to show me that there's another way to add these on. So, I don't know. Okay. So we're going to remove this. And we're going to add this right in the middle, like not too far. Okay. We're going to use our small scraper. For some things, you guys need to use your small scraper compared to the big one. And for some things, you need the big one. Where do I have it? The big one. I mean, I did have it. I'm sorry. Where did I put the big scraper? Great, you guys. I was going to show you. Oh, here you go. Compared to the big one. So you have to pick your projects and pick them right. If you're going to use small things like that, use the small one. Trust me, it helps more than the big one. Okay? You see how that has a little bubble right there? I'm going to see if I could just scrape that little bubble out. If you can't, you can't. If you can, you can. Use your fingers and scrape that out. Okay. So the next one, we're going to do the same thing. Thanks to the bestie. Thanks, Chrissy, that sent me these already pre-made. So I am able just to work with it. And then scrape it. Scrape any air bubbles that you can. You gotta scrape it, you guys. You don't want any air bubbles. If there is any, you want them gone. And then that looks amazing. Okay, so I already pre-made the names. Okay, so I'm not sure I'm gonna add a mister. I'll probably just add a hula hand on there. What do you guys think? Should I add the mister? I think his would be this one. I'm just gonna add a hula hand, I think. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece of this. This is a great way of doing these without having to paint them. Now I know what she was saying. Like, it's easier than to have to paint them, if that makes any sense. I get it. And if you like to paint, I get it as well. So I'm gonna scrape this. Remember, scrape it so there's no bubbles. And then I'm just gonna add it. Be careful, once you place that down, it's gonna stick. Okay. That's fine. If it comes off, just use your little scraper and scrape it again. And then if that happens, grab the opposite corner where you're gonna pull it. And that's it. And let's see how this works. Okay. Keep scraping. And then just press it down with your finger. I'm gonna let that set a little bit and then I'll pull it off. Okay, so once you pull it, I want you to press it with your finger just to make sure that that's gonna stay. Okay. I want the little heart to stay. So, you see what I'm doing? And you're pressing it. You see what I'm doing? Once it's under, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's just making sure it's under. Okay. Just like that. Oh. We don't want to break it. And then fix that up really quick. And then just press it with your fingers. Once you have it on there, it's not going to come off. It's just, sometimes it's just getting it on there. And that's it. How cute is that? I think that is adorable. I'm going to bring the white paper just to show you. How the final result is. But that is adorable. I'm going to add the little keychain. Which I'm having trouble adding. Why, I have no idea. Okay, and do a little knot. You could double knot this if you want. And this is ready. So I didn't add the mister, and I'm happy I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. And I will not be using the same paper. I'm gonna grab a different one. Just because I had a little bit of problems with that one, I don't want to have problems with this one. Okay. And scrape it under. Okay, we're gonna lift it. And we're gonna add it right in the middle. And that's perfect. I'm gonna put my hand on there as well as my scraper. I think my hand would be good for that. And we're gonna see if it sticks, and we're gonna lift it. See, that's not a problem. We bring it the other way. Sometimes you buy these things and you're like, well, why isn't it working? It's supposed to. But I guess that's just life, you guys. You see? Now I'm going to grab it from this side, since I'm having trouble from that side. That's all I'm going to do, is bring it around. And I'm going to scrape it. And I'm going to lift it. And if that doesn't help, use your little thing and bring it down. You see how that helped? Place your finger on it, and that's going to help you. Press it in and do the same thing. You know, not everything is always going to go as planned. That's life. Life throws curveballs at you. And then I'm going to get more in. Sorry, guys. And see, you get it done. Don't ever get scared because it lifts. Don't get scared because it moves. Don't get scared because it came out wrong. Make the best of it. Make sure you scrape it in. And once it's under, even if you wanted to lift it off, you cannot. So I think they came out super cute. Thank you, Chrissy, for the idea of not painting. I'm going to see if I could do some more without painting. But let me just show you really quick. She put them on a white paper when she showed me. I think they came out super adorable, you guys. You have 2 custom bookmarks. How cool are these? What do you guys think? I think they came out really cool. Depending on what you think. I think they came out super adorable. These are going to go great for the teachers. These are going to go great for the staff, for the principal. To tell you the truth, this one is for the principal. And then that one's for the office lady. Believe it or not, I really appreciate of those office people that help you out with the paperwork, that always have, you know, are always there for you. And I have one called Miss Ange, and she's always there for me, and I am grateful. So she sent me these little things, and these are just where you put your bookmarks in. So when you're going to give them to somebody, you add them in here. Let me see how this works. Oh, cool. And then you just slide it in. Look how cool that is. So these are just like little bookmark holders. These are cute. These are going to look really professional when I end up giving them to the teachers. They're going to love them. And then it just slides in through the back. Chrissy sent me these. And there you go. Thanks, bestie. I think they came out adorable. I can't wait to show you how I'm going to give them. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. We love you, teachers. We think highly of you. And thank you for all you do for us and our kids.